his brother can't sit with them.
Come on, Mary. When you were in high school, would you have lunch with a 9-year-old?
Yes, I would have.
No, there's something wrong with you.
I'm gonna keep him company.
Hey, Mary, think this through. Right now, the kids are just ignoring Sheldon. What happens if he's sitting with his mommy?
They could mistake me for a senior. Well, I'll look younger than you.
Just give his time, right? It'll work itself out.
My mother never understood that I actually enjoyed being alone. Solitude allowed me to think about important things,